It's Clay Trade, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I want to get some things updated here on the chart and just kind of map out some levels of support and resistance. Yes, the price has been pulling back, and today it did an interesting thing where I'm not saying guarantees a total collapse, but definitely not something that you would want to call bullish, and that is revolving around that pink line there. This pink line is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period simple moving average and know that when the price is above it, you want to see a price stay above it, because when that doesn't happen, then that's a sign that kind of the overall trend is starting to show some cracks and some just lessening of strength. And that is indeed what happened today. You can see the price fell below it, and a couple times the price tried to get back above it, but this is just a classic example of the rule that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So I'm not saying the price, it's impossible to get back above that pink line. I'm just saying that this situation there and there both make sense on why the price couldn't get back above it, because that's just, like I said, foundational rule in charting. So in other words, short-term area of resistance is going to be the pink line. The sooner the price gets up above there, the better. For more so an overall level, keep an eye on the purple line up there, the 50 period simple moving average. I realize that may seem kind of far away all the way up there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, this level is going to kind of curl like this and start to head downwards like so. So you'll want to keep an eye on that one there. But before you even worry about the 50 period simple moving average, first got to get above the pink line, which is that 200 period. What about levels of support? Well, there's a couple key ones that stand out to me. First one being right here around this point at, we'll call it $9.40. You can see quite a bit of history on the chart around $9.40 there, and right there acting as support. So if this little short-term area of support, watch out, I'm not even going to put a permanent line up there, but that's just about $9.70, give or take. If 970 can't hold, then while there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, it would not be shocking at all to see the price at least go down there and test $9.40. In the event 940 cannot hold, then to just offer up a little bit more perspective. After 940, next key level of support, I would call down here around the $9 mark. So we'll see what happens with it, but not the best day, really not the best past few days, but if the bulls can level things out and head back up, they could still maintain this overall uptrend that they've been building. So we'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the ETFs and stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate ETFs and stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.